Hey y'all, it's Diane. So, welcome to this balloon smash. I'm going to go over the colors with you here that I'm putting down. That first color is Sapphire by Deco Art. Next, I'm putting down Artist Loft Silver, which is the only color with silicone in it, which should give us some cells. Not a lot, but that's fine. On my balloon smashes, I don't care for a lot of selling per se. And then next here, just waiting to see what I'm bringing. Oh, that's Master's Touch Pink. We're going to put down because I like, some colors. The balloon smashes to me are supposed to look floral, and I like to mix some different colors. So that was the Master's Touch Pink. Next, I'm going in here with what, let's see, it's the Purple by Master's Touch. And these are all of medium consistency. I'm just kind of waiting to see what else I put on here. I know I go in with the Chrome Green from Lucas Krill, but that's my top color. I think that might be the last one. I might go in with some pink from Master's Touch too. So I thought my audio was honestly recording ahead of time during this. So yeah, so we got on the bottom we have the blue, the Sapphire Blue. We have the Master's Touch Pink, the Master's Touch Purple, and then the Lucas Krill Chrome Green Light. So those are the colors I used, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. I'll speed it up for you a little bit. This is on a 12-inch round, by the way, from Master's Touch. So I just wanted to show y'all the finished painting. So I'm just starting at the bottom here and basically telling you that I wanted to incorporate a little extra color possibly in there. But after I was done, I didn't end up touching it. I'm just showing you some selling that's happening naturally with the silver. The Artist Soft Silver is the only paint, like I said, that had silicone in it. So yeah, I really had fun with this balloon smash and these colors, and it turned out beautiful, and it's in my bun rack, so it should dry nice with no cracking, and hopefully, yeah, it should be cured in a few weeks and ready to go. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you will smash that like button and go out and do some art. Have some fun. Thanks again for watching.